Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can verify your YouTube channel. In the previous video I showed you that how we can create a YouTube brand account. Now I'm gonna show you how we can verify our brand YouTube account. At first, open a browser, go to youtube.com and turn on the desktop site. And now select a menu and go to settings. Go to studio, go to YouTube studio. I'm gonna put the link in my video description. Well, we are in YouTube studio. The link will be in description. Now click on setting, go to channel setting and go to scroll down and here you go. We're gonna verify our channel from this option. Now verify your YouTube channel is very important because you can't use custom thumbnails or can't upload long videos if you don't verify your channel. So I'm gonna verify my channel right now. You have to give your phone number here. So I'm gonna put my phone number. If we verify our channel, we can upload long videos longer than 15 minutes and we can also use custom thumbnails. Now we will have a code on that number we gave. You got the code. I put the code, the OTP code actually. Submit. Your phone number is verified. Well, we have done. Looks, it's so easy, no? So easy now. Our YouTube channel is verified. You refresh the page and enabled. You see it's a green screen, enabled, which means we have done to verify our channel. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video.